Today's recipe is barbecue pork ribs. So first we have to season with salt and pepper. I set to the griller pan. Broil it for about half an hour until the pork is cooked. Plastic sauce, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of ketchup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a little bit of paprika, gonna bit a little bit of oil. We're gonna basting it with the sauce each side. I'm gonna put it back for another 10 minutes to. Here is my barbecue pork, so good.